So tell me how to be superhero. I want to be too.
First, you have to study more, then you can get a power. First, you have to go to the power land, then you can get.
Hey guys, welcome to SpeakUP. Today we're going to talk about a lot of things, and I have a smart girl here. So let's talk with her. Hi, hello. How are you today?
I'm fine. How are you today?
I'm perfect, but I'm so happy today because I'm talking to you.
Oh, that's pretty good.
All right. So what's your full name?
My full name is Shrekindra.
Ah, that's so difficult name. Tell me your school name.
My school name is Beyond Lecture School and College.
All right. It is so beautiful school. I know. Right?
Yeah.
All right. So what does your father do?
My father is Angie Walker and my mother is a housewife.
All right. So what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
All right. So will you tell me about your future plan?
Yeah.
Go on.
My future plan is to be superhero.
Oh, you want to be superhero?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I want to help the poor people and the animals.
All right. You want to help poor people and animal, right?
Yeah.
That's a good idea. Got that? She wants to be superhero. So tell me how to be superhero. I want to be too.
First, you have to study more, then you can get a power. First, you have to go to the power land, then you can get.
Then first I have to study, right?
Yeah,
Okay. How many books I have to study?
a lot of.
A lot, right?
Yeah, like 100 million, 1,000.
All right. So I have to finish a whole library.
Yeah.
Then I'll get superpower, right?
Yeah.
All right. So do you like Spider-Man?
Yeah.
That's good. I like Spider-Man too.
I love all the superheroes.
That's a good idea. But I like Spider-Man most.
Okay.
Do you
Ooh.
like Tom and Jerry?
No.
Why?
I love Ugly and Ugly is so funny, just like you, and Ryan is
Oh,
so
do
funny
you like
too.
me?
Yeah,
Why do you like me?
because you're so funny
Right.
sometimes.
Good job. All right. Do you have best friends? Some friends in school?
What?
Do you have friends?
Yeah.
How many?
A lot of them.
A lot of them, right?
Yeah.
So, okay. So tell me one.
Which one?
Anyone.
My mostest friend is Zariat.
Zaria.
Yeah,
Okay. Is it boy or girl?
girl.
Girl. Okay.
Everything is my friend is everything. My friend is a girl.
Girl. That's a good idea. So you wanna say something to them?
Yeah.
Okay. Say something.
You have to study more so you can get a superpower. First, you have to go to the superpower land.
All right, guys. You have to study more if you want to be superhero, right? Okay. From today, I'll study more, and I'll show you one day I'll be superhero.
Okay.
Okay. So say bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.